Removing an email account from your iPhone is a straightforward process, but it's essential to understand the implications before you proceed. Apple has streamlined this process in iOS 17 and iOS 18, making it more user-friendly. There are two main paths to access your email account settings. You can navigate to Settings, then Mail, then Accounts. Alternatively, you can go directly to Settings and then Passwords and Accounts. The deletion process involves three simple steps. First, select the email account you wish to remove from the accounts list. Then tap the Delete Account option. Finally, confirm the deletion when prompted. Keep in mind that removing an account affects access to its associated mail, contacts, and calendars on your device. All data linked to that account will no longer be accessible through your iPhone's built-in apps. Before removing any account, ensure you've backed up crucial data or migrated it to another account. This is especially important for POP3 accounts where emails are downloaded locally and might be permanently lost. IMAP accounts like Gmail and Yahoo store emails on the server, so data can typically be restored by re-adding the account. Before removing any email account from your iPhone, it's crucial to understand what type of account you're dealing with and the potential impact on your data. The most important distinction is between IMAP and POP3 protocols. IMAP accounts like Gmail, Yahoo, and Outlook.com store your emails on the server, while POP3 accounts download emails directly to your device. With IMAP accounts, your emails remain safely stored on the server. If you remove the account and later re-add it, most of your data will be restored automatically. This makes IMAP accounts much safer to remove. However, POP3 accounts download emails directly to your device. Removing a POP3 account may result in permanent data loss since the emails are stored locally on your iPhone, not on the server. Exchange and corporate email accounts require special consideration. These accounts often include not just email, but also contacts, calendars, and notes. They may have additional security policies that require IT administrator involvement. iCloud accounts deserve special attention because they're deeply integrated with your iPhone's functionality. Removing an iCloud account affects multiple services and can significantly impact how your device works. As of 2025, iOS has improved the account removal experience significantly. The system now provides clearer warnings about what data will be removed and offers better granular control over which services sync with each account. Most importantly, always back up your important data before removing any email account. This includes emails, contacts, calendars, and any other information you can't afford to lose.